This car coming from the left has a stop sign, but he doesn't seem to care. Nearly get rear-ended here as traffic stops abruptly and the guy in back swerves into the shoulder so he doesn't hit me. Why people choose stop signs to check their email blows my mind. Just go already. This person casually cutting through the parking lot doesn't even check to see if anyone is coming. Another week, another person wasting a green arrow. This exit is backed up enough, but the guy in the SUV has to stop completely to merge. Just an FYI, this is not a turn lane. I really thought this biker wanted to play chicken since he was coming straight at me. This construction worker is totally oblivious, but no worries, I'll wait. This is another no turn on red arrow intersection, but do you think it matters? Count how many cars sneak through after my light turns green. Getting ridiculous out here. This guy is all over the place. Maybe he is Googling the definition of lane markers? I am turning right here. Oh wait, just kidding. Look how far away he is at the yellow, then the red. Plenty of time to stop right. Let's just hang out while this green arrow clock is ticking. Carnage on the roads, part 1 of the week. Why do idiotic cyclists ride down the center of the road? Next time I am blaring the horn. Someone tell this genius that the on-ramp is for accelerating to highway speeds. First toll violation of the week. Definitely not the last. Weekly dose of trucks pissing people off in the express lane. Bravo DPD. Signs every 10 feet aren't enough for the brilliant minds of Denver drivers. Hope it's a hefty ticket. This guy doesn't even check before sliding into my lane at the merge. Toll violation, anyone? Another illegal doing illegal things and almost getting run over. Wouldn't be an episode without a few red light runners. So here are two. Nice fast and the furious maneuver by this guy. At least he made his exit. Coming in hot. This guy narrowly avoids clipping the white car. This moron really wanted that parking spot. This was a lot closer than it looks, but it's all good. Come on over. California being California. Toll violation. Drive slow. Then snag another violation on the way out. Whatever drugs this guy is on, he has zero fear or sense. Light is yellow forever. But this guy says, nah, I'm gonna run it anyways. Idiots plus scooters equal events like this. And then 2 blocks later, this chick. That ridiculous mask won't protect you from cars, you know. Finally got to see the result of the toll violators. Idiots of the week, hands down. I am already stopped for the red. Bet you can guess what's coming. I guess no doesn't always mean no. Finally, this guy is at least 100 yards away when yellow. Does he stop? Of course not.